Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice cube tray in the tap on the refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a couple of minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice cube tray. The ice cube tray is the perfect solution for the ice lovers who don't have an ice maker. It makes ice cubes as an ice maker would. The only downside is that you will have to fill it up with the water manually. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. This old ice cube tray has seen better days in its life. This is the old ice cube tray next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before using the new ice cube tray, I recommend you wash it thoroughly with the soap and water. And then, if you really need the ice cubes, then just fill it up with the cold water. And then slide it in. And now, when we're done, we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.